Alright folks, you know this channel is all about maximum food production. And so there's a concept that is pretty much ignored mainstream. And this concept is absolutely key to having an extremely diverse and just amazing garden. Alright, so this key to gardening is community. And let me explain before you click out of here, because most people don't get this. They go in their garden alone, it's their therapy, yada yada yada, whatever, great. But there's at least 1, 2, 3, about to be four species of plants in my garden that I would not have unless I talked to my neighbor across the street or the other one in the neighborhood next to us. So, by and large, gardeners are basically the nicest people in the world. And they're generous, aren't they, buddy? They're the nicest peoples. Anyway, they're generous. They are willing to share seed, willing to share plants. And so my neighbor across the street, she gave me strawberry plants and thornless blackberries, which I wasn't about to go pay whatever it is, 20 or 30 bucks at Lowe's for thornless blackberries. And honestly, I had no idea. I don't even know if they have, maybe they have strawberries there, but she gave me like, let's see, like, I don't know, 8 to 15 plants, somewhere around there. That would have been a lot of money at Lowe's that I was not willing to spend. Another neighbor gave me a ginger plant, which is actually right behind me. Where is it? There it is. Yeah, it's leaning over by the downspout. And then she also gave me some cilantro seeds, and she gave me some of her lemons, which I am taking seed and sprouting. So, this is a lot of plants that I just would not have had in my yard otherwise. And the great thing about these plants is these people are saving seeds. They're growing stuff in the same soil that I am. And so it's pretty much are you drooling on my arm? He loves drooling. But anyway, these plants are basically acclimated to our environment and our soil. So those are two huge bonuses that I get from basically interacting with my gardening neighbors. I know what you're saying though. Tim, none of my neighbors garden. Yeah, they do. I guarantee you that you have neighbors that are gardening, unless you live in the most hoity-toity whatever neighborhood, which if you're gardening you probably don't. Even there's probably some gardeners. They probably spend a lot of money on their gardens. I don't know. But I'm gonna tell you the secret to finding them. The secret to finding them is to taking your adorable little baby on walks and meeting them. No, I'm just kidding. The secret to finding them is go on the Nextdoor app, sign up, look for a gardening group. So like I live in this neighborhood. Alright, so I made a group called Orange Park Gardening. So who's gonna join that? People that live in Orange Park, where I live. And so this is pretty sweet because now I can post on there and people just started joining. I didn't like invite anyone, I just shared and said, hey, you know, I started this gardening group. So anyway, you can make one of those groups, and I have found it to be very valuable. I mean, I've already got 3 new species in my garden, and I feel a little bit bad because I haven't really contributed because I just moved into this neighborhood. So I don't have, you know, a citrus tree in my yard or a, you know, anything really producing yet. So, because this is my first season. So, anyway, hopefully when I get chickens I can bring eggs or whatever to my neighbors. That might be nice. This is just a great way to connect with other gardeners in your neighborhood who are close. All these people are within less than 10 minutes for sure, probably like 6 though. So I can just go visit them, and so far everyone's been so nice, really helpful, and just other people are offering seeds up, and basically that's what I said when I made the group. I was like, hey, this is a place to share seeds and share ideas. That's it. And you know, share what you're doing if things are going well, whatever, and share plants. So that's what it's all about. Just make it clear, like, hey, this is what this group is for. And if you wanna bash people about their their stupid gardening techniques, you know, this isn't the place. And yeah, just be really clear, communicate. Imagine that. So I hope this was valuable to you. I hope you actually go make a group and reap the benefits of having neighbors and begin trading seed and generations of seed that have been grown right in your area. That's amazing. All right, have a great day, guys. Bye.